Most people get this comparison completely wrong. They look at credit builder apps and assume they all do the same thing. But here's the truth no one tells you. The way these cards report to credit bureaus and handle your money can make a huge difference in how fast your credit score grows. So today, we are breaking down Cleo Credit Builder versus Chime Credit Builder in 2026. And figuring out which one actually helps you build credit faster and safer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which option fits your situation, whether you are starting from zero or trying to rebuild damaged credit. Let's start simple. The Cleo Credit Builder works like a cash advance style credit building tool inside the Cleo app. It uses an AI system to analyze your spending and may offer small credit building limits based on your behavior. The idea is to help you build credit gradually while managing your budget inside the same app. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Chime Credit Builder is different. It is attached to a secured Visa credit card through Visa. You move money into a secured account, and that becomes your spending limit. Every purchase is backed by your own money, and then reported to credit bureaus. So what is the biggest difference? Cleo is more automated and app-driven, while Chime is more structured and traditional in how it builds credit history. But here's the problem most beginners miss. Credit building is not just about getting approved. It is about how consistently your payments are reported, and how stable your credit usage looks to lenders. With Chime, your usage is very predictable. You spend, you pay, and it reports. That predictability is good for building credit history. For someone like Jake who wants a simple system, this can be very effective. With Cleo, the system is more dynamic. It may offer smaller limits and depends more on your financial behavior inside the app. That means results can vary more from user to user. Now let's talk speed. Chime often shows more consistent credit reporting patterns, which can lead to steadier credit score improvements over a few months. Cleo can work, but it is less predictable in how fast it impacts your score. Now here's where it gets interesting. Neither option charges traditional high interest like normal credit cards, but both require responsible usage. Missed payments or poor usage habits can still hurt your score instead of helping it. So which one is better? If you want simplicity, stability, and a clear credit building structure, Chime Credit Builder is usually the stronger choice. If you prefer a more app-based, flexible financial coaching experience, Cleo might be worth exploring. Here is the final takeaway. Cleo is flexible and AI-driven, but less predictable. Chime is structured, stable, and more consistent for building credit history. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, hit like, leave a comment with your credit situation, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you build credit the smart way.